Hello everyone. Welcome once again in a self-transformation series of day 22. Yes, my dear friends, first of all, thank you for all my listeners and viewers for watching from last 21 days. And I'm pretty sure that by imbibing one thought daily and just by imbibing and listening to it, there must be a change in your thinking pattern, in your way of living. And definitely, you must be standing out in your family. You must be now a different person as per the thought process, as per the level of positivity. This I am very, very sure. Dear friends, I can say that this series will not even make a change on a grassroots level, but also help you to live your life in a holistic way. So today the topic which we have selected is a little bit different, and you must be thinking that why this topic is for me. But when you will listen this till the end, you will know the purpose of this topic. So the topic for the day is stage of retirement. Yes, my dear friends, whosoever is listening must be wondering that right now is not my age for retirement. I'm pretty good. I'm here just to transform myself. How self-transformation is related to retirement. So now here comes the answer of this topic, and here comes the purpose of selecting this topic. Dear friends, always remember, retirement is just a mere word used and which we are actually using for the time when we are grown old and then we retire. But I wanted to clear one thing, that retirement is not the word which is related to the elderly people. Retirement is a word which is related to everyone, and it should be used in every phase of life. I could just relate it with a mere example. Like when we were very, very small, I used to do cycling at that moment, and for me cycling was the one of the best sport, and I used to enjoy it. When I grew up, I liked now that next form is I like scooter, I like bike. So I have taken the retirement from cycling, and then I move on to the scooter and bike. Then gradually now I like car, like driving most as compared to cycling. And now I take cycling as a part of my workout schedule, but it's not that mandatory to go by cycle. So don't you think that we are retiring from the things and moving ahead? So this word retirement is the word which is related from the things which we are leaving behind and moving ahead. So that's why this is the topic for our self-transformation series, that is stage of retirement. Now here comes that what all we have to be taken care, which we have to take a retirement and move ahead. Don't you think, my dear friends, that this word of retirement is being used for every age group? Means whether the child, whether the youngster, whether the people who are of our own age group or the elderlies, we all need the retirement from our old sanskars. Yes, my dear friends, retirement from all our old sanskars, retirement from that habit of phobias, retirement from the habit of fear, retirement from the habit of anger, anxiety, retirement of always be in I, me and myself, retirement of my being that I am like this. So don't we think that we have to take retirement of all those cranky habits of ours which has actually disturbed me and others? Yes, my dear friends, this is it. But how to take the retirement from such a fussy and such habits which are there in me and I cannot change myself? Now it becomes my personality. And if I'm going to change, the people are going to say, what happened to you? Why you are like this? And if I try to move path of self-transformation, they will still nag and bang on me that you are not the same. This transformation will definitely be for few days and few hours. Definitely you will be the same personality. After few days you will be back in your true personality. This is not you. So by these words of I have to take retirement. And how to take retirement from all those things, how to take retirements from the words of others, those who are the critics who criticizes us, how to take retirement from those who are always blaming us. And they can't change in me that yes, I have moved ahead. I have taken a bit to transform myself, but they don't believe. They don't agree with that. So how to take retirement from those people, those words, those situations, those actions? The answer is very, very simple, my dear friends. The answer is that faith and trust in the supreme energy. If you have faith and trust in Almighty, if you take one step in remembrance of God, that God, I don't know for whom I'm changing, but I'm changing, and since I'm taking you along with me in this journey of change or transformation, and this just mere thought that I'm taking one step of courage, that I'm changing, that supreme, that energy, that Father, or whichever form you recall the Almighty figure, will take thousands and thousands of steps to help you. Yes, my dear friends, in this retirement, stages of retirement, where there is no childhood games, where they constantly, the process of transforming yourself, here who's going to help you is that Almighty. So how? In that, what you have to do is, the process is simple. Always remember that Supreme Energy is with me and I am in constant contact with Him. He is in constant contact with me. And since when we used to call again and again to any person, and gradually that person comes, that is also telepathy, we can say. Same way, when we remember the Supreme in each and every action which we do, just remember, you don't have to sit and remember, you just have to take a thought that okay, I'm moving ahead, you are with me. Okay, I'm eating now, you are with me. Like this, just a thought, and that thought of one step will definitely make you closer and closer to the retirement stage, and you will definitely feel the benefit of it. And the best benefit of retirement of all your old sanskar and framing the new one is that you will feel light. You will feel that there is no burden on you. You will feel that the life is really, really so beautiful. You will see the creativity which is inside you. You will see this whole life in a very, very different way. So just explore this thought. Just take the step of courage along with God and see the thousands of steps He is going to take for you to help you. And this sign of retirement will give you one more thing, that you will be closer and you will His canopy and always being protected. So explore this retirement in a very, very good way, so that when you reach to true retirement age, till then everything has been solved. All your mysteries have been solved, and you are actually living the life which is for you and for betterment of you. So go ahead in this journey and explore this stage of retirement and be happy always. And one more thing, my dear friends, just do explore the description box. Something is hidden and waiting for you, and do comment in the comment box also. Till then, keep listening. See you tomorrow with a new thought in Self Transformation series. Thank you.